Greetings, Algo artisans. A lot of people ask it about Peng. It is a meme coin, and I don't generally do those, but we will talk about the charts. We're going to jump into it right now.
But really, who names himself after a mangy flying rodent?
Okay, so you're looking at the chart for Peng. This is basically the daily chart. So this is price going back roughly a month, and this hit the MexC exchange on March 9th, and it went from about 15 cents more or less all the way up to about $2.2. So this was over a times 10, which is awesome for those who got in. Now this is a meme coin, and it really, as far as I know, has nothing going on except that it does now have a partnership with Referral, and that is actually a little surprising for a meme coin. Is there something else going on behind the scenes? Interesting question. So we're going to look a little bit more into the coin, and we are, before we do that, we're going to take a look at the charts, and we're going to see if Peng decides to continue back up. How high might it go, and where might it stop? Okay, first, the easiest thing to do is to look at the prior peaks on the way down when price tried to rally up and got rejected. For example, right here at this rejection, and right here at this rejection, and at this rejection. Those are very obvious places. In fact, price is at one of those right now. So, of course, the main question is whether or not price will continue up. I can tell you right now, it does look as if it will. Now, Peng is on the Solana blockchain. Solana is said to have some issues, but you know what? I've been watching the meme coins on Solana blockchain. Not that I'm playing them. I generally don't play them. I might get a small amount of it when it's cheap. The point is, I've been watching the meme coins. They seem to be doing okay on the Solana blockchain, despite whatever issues it's been having. I think price could, like I said, it could reject where it is, although it doesn't look like it will. It could actually continue up to the high 70s. So the next few areas I would look for rejection are at 77 cents, 97 cents, $1.62, and $2.20. Very simple, super simple way to do this. Now, another thing we can do is to take a look at the Fibonacci retracement from the impulse down, right? So the original retracement retraced almost all the way down to where it started on this exchange. We can go ahead and map that retracement out, and then we can use a Fibonacci tool to see where it might head back up if it gets a strong impulse. This is not my favorite way to handle these kind of coins, but it is a measurement, and there is confluence here, and there is the 382 that's right here at 97 cents. And don't forget, 97 cents is right below $1, and $1 is a psychological point. Price could easily reject before it hits $1, and if it breaks $1, it could head up pretty far. Now, it did break $2 very briefly, so it does appear that $2 is the next psychological point. So if I were looking at psychological points, it would just be kind of the even numbers, right? 50 cents, a little bit, definitely $1, $2, those are the areas I look at for a possible rejection. What I would next consider, though, is whether or not this coin has anything behind it, and the way to do that, of course, is going to be partially on the website. They do say they have partners with CoinMarketCap, Dex, Screener, Gotbit, Dex Tools. Okay, I mean, it's a meme coin. I'm not really thinking that means very much. What is it about? Welcome to Peng, the IC addition to the Solana blockchain. Our small yet mighty penguin with a hint of Pepe the Frog brings fresh breeze of creativity to the degen world of Solana. Okay, so this is all fun, right? We're not really seeing anything functional in there. We do have it being available on some pretty decent exchanges, though. BitGet, BingX, Gate, Radium, Radium's just Radium, but MexC, Poloniex, those are some, decent exchanges to be listed on, right? And as a partner, the one I'm interested in right now is Travala.com. So it's just a travel website, if you will. You can book flights, activities, and if Travala, obviously they're taking crypto, and if for some reason Travala really starts to push taking Peng, then that could increase a lot of demand. So we'll see about that. This could be kind of like Doge, where, Doge really was just a joke of a coin, and then all of a sudden Elon Musk kind of took it up, and it became something a little more serious. People really started to believe in it and buy a lot of it. So, it could be kind of an adopted meme coin. That's quite possible. Now, at the current price of 40 cents, I don't know that I would adopt it. I mean, let's take a look at the actual tokenomics over on CoinMarketCap. Again, I know a lot of people prefer to use CoinGecko at this point, but this works just as well. Market cap is sitting right now at 37.24 million. The coin is at 40 cents a pop. There are 100 million Peng as a max supply. So it's actually not, as many coins and meme coins go, it's not that big. A lot of meme coins are in the billions and hundreds of billions of coins. So it could mean that if this did have any level of adoption, it could go a bit higher. It's already above above a penny, and that's a big deal for meme coins. So, is a relatively small supply, and the market cap is pretty decent, but still relatively low, even from, for these coin standpoints. So there's a lot of room to grow. Again, my main concern with this coin is that it's a meme coin. The same exact thing that, as far as about Peng, it's right off their website. I don't see anything except for the Travala that has me curious, okay? So if I were to take a risk, it would be relatively small, and I probably would hold it through the bull. Something that I wouldn't be afraid to lose. But what I'm telling you is what I would do, and it's not investment advice. If I saw the price go up to $2, that's a nice times 5-ish, a times 6, maybe I would take half my money off at that time. There's always that weird chance that the crypto bull market just really goes crazy and it goes up to $10 or something. I would be looking to take money off at some of those key spots, $1, $2, $5, and $10, and right below those. That's how I would handle this, but really, honestly, at this time, I'm not that interested in it. But what I would be interested in doing, since it is listed on some pretty notable exchanges, if for whatever reason Peng actually gathers momentum, and it could, very well could, it might be rather tradable from a short-term standpoint. You might see the price of this kind of head up and then maybe, take a break and then you can grab one of those pullbacks. That would be a way to make money on something like this, even in just the spot market. So that is how Peng has my interest at all. So that's what I got for you. Again, not a huge level of interest. The Travala partnership does have me a little interested, so I would keep my eye on it. A small allocation is what I would do. Something that is just money I'm not afraid to just simply lose. Money that could just go in the garbage can and I wouldn't be hurt either way. That's how I would treat Peng personally. But I do know people who are very good traders who are holding more than that. So I'm not saying that what I'm talking about is correct. They may know something that I don't know. There might be other partnerships coming. So I will keep my eyes and ears out. And if I hear anything more about Peng, I will do a show and talk about it. In the meantime, go ahead and take a listen to this testimonial from one of our clients. We help people build a trading method so that they can extract money from the market on a regular basis, provided that they can have the tenacity to go through all of the testing and develop it properly. So go head over to algofactory.tech. Here is this testimonial. Okay, so this came from Diane, and she says, I've been following you around since 2017, 2018. Rogue Money, WT, Chart Snipers. I've been lurking in the background, but things are finally coming together for me these days. Putting the work in, backtesting, the whole deal. This is a very direct, decisive course you've put together here. It just gives me a lot of confidence. So very nice words from Diane. Thank you so much. All right, thanks for listening to that. And we are going to go ahead and end the show. So don't forget, trade your job, upgrade your life. We'll catch you on the next one.